slash 4x4. Connect it, track, start. See if I can get a pass in. I'm gonna take it easy on this one. My stand's right first. I ain't got no lights on this car, so it's a little bit more difficult to see. I don't know if that car coming down here or not. I got one coming from this end though. Let's see if I can get off to the side. It's here on the back side. Got this black. That car's on both sides. So there's no lights on this one, it's hard to see. The car's coming down. That car turned. Let's see one from this way, another from that way. Alright, staring down. This might be a disaster, but let's see what happens. That ran actually straight. See if I can turn it around. That was actually a straight run for this car. Oh, it's hard to see this damn thing. Top speed for this car is 158. Let's see if we beat that. Let's see what we got. Stop. Think. Oh, it's broken. Oh, there we go. Read. 167 slash 4x4. 167. Wow. Now this is a super PB for this car. 167. I'm getting this car way up there. 167 slash. I am excited about that. I like that. It ran real straight too. Let's see what's in it. 167. Ain't nothing crazy in here, just normal shit. So it just went very straight. This is definitely a new PB. Definitely the fastest slash in California. This definitely gonna put me on my slash list. I have a slash list that I keep track of the top 10 fastest slashes in the, in the world. It's definitely putting me on there. I'm probably, number 4 or 5 now. with that 167. But I'm gonna check that list. Let's see. I got the Azure lipos on here. I'm loving these lipos because my car's been moving since I've been using these lipos. You know, Castle 1721 XLX2, it's just normal shit. But 167. Let's see. Slash 4x4. I want to thank everybody for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Leave your comments because, you know, I reply to all my comments. So like, comment, and subscribe. I'll catch y'all in the next video. I'm out.